back to Heimlich Hot Rods. It's been a while. Let's get back to work here. So we're gonna start on the Nova. This is a big project. It's pretty rough, to say the least. So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna start tearing it down, stripping it down to a roller, get the motor, tranny out, interior out, everything out of the doors off, front fenders, hood, trunk. Get it stripped down. Might call in a sandblaster, a dustless blaster guy, and have him blast this thing for me. It's really bad. I need to know what exactly needs to be replaced, so I kind of need it down to bare metal. I mean, I could strip it myself, but it'd take a week, so easier just to call somebody to do it. So I guess it's time to get started on this thing. Yeah. Well, we got our work cut out for us, but just fiberglass right over it. It'll be fine. All right, well, see how much of this car is left when we get it stripped down. All right, we got that side out. Pretty crusty in here, some rat's nest. Peeled it up, doesn't look too bad. It's got some tar mat under there, but we'll see. So we gotta pull the other seat out, center console, pull these doors off, all the panels, dash, get this thing stripped down. Well, I kind of had a feeling, man, it's windy outside. We have some cockroaches in here and stuff. I have a feeling that this stuff's covering up stuff. Okay, well, not really anything here. This is, I don't know if that's stock or not. This looks like maybe old seam sealer. Could be Bondo, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna have to blast all this and find out. We gotta get rid of all this stuff. I don't know what this is. Keep peeling this stuff back and see what we find. Giant rat turds. So, feels kind of solid. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, there's areas that are really bad, but down in there, I don't know. Edges look pretty good. I don't know, is this stock though? Yeah, it is. That's stock. Well, it might not need floors. Alright, we got the front fender off here, and this bucket's in decent shape. It's got a little rust in the corner here. Most part, the structure looks pretty decent. It's just some rubber gasket material. It's been undercoated, some of it's flaking off, but it's still good underneath. Did find one little spot up here. Easy repair. So, not too bad so far. It's so windy out there, the doors are rattling. Sounds like a darn hurricane out there. Let's go see what it looks like. Crap. Yeah, I was worried that bumper was going to be tough to get off and the bolts were going to be rusted on, but there was no bolts on it. It was just wedged in there. So that was actually pretty easy. Gotta pull this motor and tranny out, get the other fender off, the doors off, and she'll be ready for sandblasting. Jiminy Christmas. I caught a glimpse of the time lapse, but it doesn't reveal all of it. This is pretty good, huh? That's nice. There's nothing there. That's bad. That's bad. It's definitely not good. Ugh. Well, it's just metal. It can all be fixed. Alright, well, I've seen enough for one day. So, I think I'll just pull the motor and tranny off video. You guys have seen that a million times. Yeah. You can kind of get an idea of what we're working with. Looks like this side's going to be the same as the other up in here. All rusted out, so. Well, I guess I'm the guy that's got to fix it, so. We'll start ordering sheet metal and just order all the sheet metal, I guess. Got the back window out and not looking very good. Not looking good at all. Oh, hey, a nice piece of metal. What do you know? So, let's get stuff out of the way. Got that inner structure all rebuilt there, where it was bad. Got this piece somewhat shaped. Got this inner structure all redone. And I'm gonna work my way up. I'm gonna probably cut this corner of the roof off today because I'm getting a whole roof skin, so, because it's all rusted out in the corners and it actually attaches right here, so. We'll cut this off and work on this inner structure today, probably. And I already got my hard piece all bent up here. Kind of fits in like that, so. All right, well, things are coming good. It's a lot of work, but we're getting to it, so work on this today. Try and do a couple of these progress reports. So went ahead and cut that roof back and started getting back to some better metal. I'm not gonna say it's great, but it'll do. So I'm gonna have to rebuild all of this section. And we don't know how bad it's gonna be going that way, so we might have to rebuild that whole section. Rebuilding the whole dang car. the inner structure is all taken care of. Coated with Pour 15. Turned out pretty good. I mean, it doesn't even have to be this nice. It's all inner structure. It's just there for strength. And then we'll put the outer panels on. And when I do my spot welds, because I've already coated this, I just take my drill bit and kind of run it around in there and clean the metal up so it's got clean metal to spot weld too. But everything else is still protected real well. So I don't think I'm gonna have to go back any further. Once I peeled off the one layer of metal, it was actually pretty decent. I mean, it's pitted a little, but it's still strong metal, so I don't think we're gonna have to replace any of that along here. And all this back here looks good up top. So I don't see any rusting in here yet. So obviously the roof will get changed and all that will come with the new roof. This, I'll have to all rebuild the inner structure and the outer on this. So I'll be cutting sections of the quarter panel out and doing the repair work before I actually take the whole quarter panel off, just like I did with the roof up here. Just a little section at a time, find good metal, and then get that structure fixed. So it's turning out pretty good though. And we got a long ways to go though. Alright, been working away on this thing, and this is the piece that's been taking me a while. Pretty darn close right now. A little more work, but not much. Be ready to weld in. All right, well, been working away here and pretty much got this piece all completed. Tough little patch panel to make. Definitely not that easy to do. So here where it goes. Close enough. So, fits real nice. Weld right up to that other patch panel I made. And then it'll spot weld in here. And then I'm going to weld a seam there, weld this seam, all that, and then it'll spot weld up here. So, I think it turned out really good. Alright, so I hope you guys all enjoyed that. It's a big project, it's going to take a while. There'll be a few different things I do on this, so this thing is rough. It's really horrible to see people do this to cars like this, but that is all Bondo. No pillar, no metal, no problem, we'll build it out of Bondo.